I don't know, it looks like the coolant fitting actually. What's up, people? So right now we are gonna change out my coolant, or what the hell, coolant heater core fitting that's notorious for leaking, like right there. So I got a little disconnect real quick, and I think we're using the 5/8. I'll let you know. And then got some coolant because it's leaking and it's back there. So let's get her off. The first time I'm taking this off, so you can see it kind of right there. Let's get her off. So I got her off. It truck was sitting overnight and it hasn't been started all day, and that plastic disconnect kind of wasn't going in there because it was just kind of cold. So I went and drove it for a little bit. Make sure you let out the pressure. So I had to do that and leaked a little bit, but wear gloves also because it's pretty hot, obviously. But to get this one, little thing, it's just an 8mm. So, but you just, all I had to do was put it on there, and then, so I put it in there, little disconnect, put it in there, and they wouldn't go all the way down. So as soon as I got it warmed up, I actually could get it all the way down. Then I just kind of, it wouldn't come out immediately, so I had to kind of turn it, and then just kept pushing in it, and then finally just pulled on it and it came out. So it's actually still on there still. There you can kind of see it. Anyways, get that back on, screw the other one on, and pop it back in. So hopefully that fixes the leak. Okay, so it's the next day. I went and drove it last night, and just you know, drive it and heat it up a little more just so I could see if it would come out. It didn't. So yeah, all you gotta literally do after you get out is just pretty much just push it in hard, and it just, you'll hear pop, and yeah, that's it. So super easy. Just gotta get some more coolant, so some of it did pop out a little bit. So I'll get it hot and warmed up and get her up to temp and make sure the coolant's all full. So yeah, definitely. I think I'll put down the link below to where to get it. You can get it at O'Reilly's too, but it's like $9, and then coolant's like $12 at Walmart. So yeah, easy.